Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on the Dow Jones Industrial Average. I did this one a little while ago, but I want to do a quick video update here because the price is sitting around an important area, and we also kind of had a bearish event happen. Nothing huge, but if you remember the last video I did on this, this line here was actually green, and I talked about how we were in a channel, this being the top of the channel, and then this being the bottom of the channel. Well, Technical Analysis 101 states that when supports are broken and close beneath, they become resistances, and that is exactly what we had happen right here. The price broke, closed beneath, and then you can see the price tried to get above it. One day managed to get back above it, but then has since fallen. So this line that used to be green, I've now converted it to red already, just because it has turned into a resistance. So the bearish event that I talked about is now we have this big resistance zone sitting above us, which extends from there up to that point. So this channel, which had previously been kind of neutral, meaning we had a resistance point at the top and then a support down here, has now gone completely bearish in terms of becoming a resistance zone. Now, is it something that's can't be broken? No, nothing like that. But obviously, whenever supports are turned into resistances, that is bearish. Sure, it could just be a short-term thing. And that's what I'm saying here is it's bearish, but don't perceive it as me saying that the world's going to come to an end or something like that. That's not what I'm saying. But we now do have this resistance zone above us. Now the other thing to note is looking at this purple line here, which is the 50-day simple moving average. We are sitting right at it again. If you look back in previous history, specifically right there, you can see that the last time we came down and got around this area, we had a nice bounce off of it. Ideally, that's what we want to see this time. We'd like to see the bulls hold up strong here at this support level and act as a trampoline like it did right here. Will that happen? I wish I knew. I wish I had a crystal ball like that, but I don't know. All I do know is that we were sitting at a very important spot here in terms of support and where we'd ideally like to bounce. Now let's say this purple line does fail, meaning you get some closes below it. We do have another support level right below it based on the high of these prices over here. So the price could fall down here some more. And after this support, things get a little thinner in terms of where the next support levels are. The next one after that's not till down here some. Let me get this set up. But you can see, change this to green too, that we had a high here and then we had the low right here. So this is all the way down here around the 94.50 mark, which from 96 60, that's a pretty big fall there. That could happen if this level doesn't hold. So that's why it's important to see over the course of this week and next how the price does react around the 50. Obviously today we had a nice start to the week with the green candle, so maybe that'll be the bounce like we had right here. I don't know, but today would say that we're doing well around this, but there's still quite a bit left this week, 4 days, so we will see what happens. But like I said, we still do have this support and then this one, and then after that things thin out even more. So just keep your eye on it. Like I said, nothing special with this video chart. I just want to get those things pointed out that we do have a resistance zone above us now, but we are sitting right at this 50-day simple moving average, which has proven to be a nice little support back here in late September. So if you do have any other questions, please let me know and I'll do my best to help you out. I'd also encourage you to check out bullmarketnewsletter.net. If you go there and sign up for the email list, you will be sent a free ebook, which has been getting very good reviews, and with your subscription to the newsletter, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks all the way up to big boards. So there's a good variety for everybody, and it's all free, so it's worth at least checking out. So one more time, this was the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for listening.